root 25 root 10. What is the value of this? First we can write the root 25. We can write this, and this we can write 5 to root 5. And now take the common, so there cut, so we can write here 25, and this is the 1. And now we conjugated multiply, so multiply here this conjugated multiply, and now this is a minus b, this is a plus b, so this is the a square minus b square formula, so root square minus 1 square, and there we can write this, we can write root 5 and 10 plus 1. And now there is the square, so cut here, the 2 minus 1, so there is the 1, and there is the root 5, there is the 10, so 10 is equal to, we can 2 into 5, 10, and this we can write the root 2 1 10, and so this 2 square and root we cut, so there is the 5 to 5, and there is the root 2 plus 1, this is 10. This is the value of this first value. And secondly we can write, so this is the value first, and second we can write this we can write the 5 to 5, and this we can write 2 plus 1, this is, we can write 8, and this plus 2, you can write this multiply, so 8 plus 2 is 10. And now this we can write the 5 to 5, this root 2 1, this 2, and this is, we can write the 4 into 2, this is 8, and this is, we can write root 2 1, and this is, we can write the a plus b whole square formula, so we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. So they are root 2, so root 2 square, and there is the 1 square, and there is the 2 root 2 1, so we can write here this is root 2 square, so there is 2 and this is 1, so 3, so we can write here this is the 3 and plus this is the 2 root 2, and similarly this is, we can write this, and similarly 4, so we can write the 2 and this is square, and this is similarly this, so this is the 3 root 2, and now this is square, so there is the 3 square, so there is a 3, so there is a 3 square, so 9, and there is the, this is 2 square, so there is the 2 root 2 square, there is the 4 and this is 2, so this is 8, and there is the 2 into 3 and 2 root 2 this. So this we can write, this is the 17, so this is the 17 and this is the 17 and this is the 12 root 2 and this is the square and this is the 3 2 root 2. And now this is the similarly this square we can write, so this is the 17 square and there is the 12 to 2 square and there is the 2 17 and 2 12. So 17 square we can write here the 289 and this is the 12 square 144 and this is 2 square into 2, so there is the 288 and this is the 12 into 12 and so this is value is root 2 and so this total value is, so we can write there is the total value is, this total value is 577 and this is the root 2 this and this is the 3 2 root square. So now here multiply, so this multiply this, so first 5 this multiply this, so this multiply this is the 3 1 this multiply and this multiply this, so 3 multiply this 4 root 2 and this multiply this, so this is the 54 and root 2 and this multiply this, so root 2 this is the 2 and 2 into this, so this is the, so 5 and this is plus this and this plus this, so there we can write 3 3 6 3 this plus and this we can write this plus and this plus, we can write 2 3 7 8 root 2. So this is the value of this second value. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.